Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will show you our laser system with robots. You can see this is a 6 axis collaboration robot. This robot is very light because compared with normal robots, you can touch it during the working, so it's very safe. And also the programming is much easier. You can see we just use our phone app to control the robot system. All the programming you can just down on your phone. So it's very convenient and easy. Now I will show you the full system, how we do the manual jobs, and the robot will repeat what you do. So it's very easy. Firstly, we actually go to 0 points, okay? And then we change the position for the first one. Now the robot is moving now. We move to our start point, okay? Then we move, we make two lines, welding like this and like this. Okay, first one, we also need to change the position and open the menu movement. So you just hold it. For example, you want to weld a line like this. Okay, first we finish it and then close it. And save it. Okay, and another one to do the same job. For example, we move up and welding another line. Move up, like this. Okay, then just save it. Then we go to 0 points.
And in the factory, in our company, you can see there are many types of laser machines, and which one I will introduce to begin. I will introduce this machine.
Then we just show you, we can see the robot will just repeat. But movement from here to here and up. Okay, you see it can repeat our our operation just now. Okay, see. Firstly, you will move to the start point and do left line, up line, and then go to 0 points. So, really easy, but it's